Hello Scratchers, in today's series we're going to be looking at an encoding and decoding project. The start the project is in the link below. And this is our final project. So let's go and change our title to Encoding and Decoding. So let's start by deleting a scratch cat. Then let's get a new sprite. So now I'm going to create a button for now. Going to call it Encode. And the name is encode and slash button. Oops. Double slash. So now in here we're going to drag out an when green flag clicked, forever we're going to create a new variable called underscore letter underscore hashtag for the sprite only. Now we're going to set that to 0. Oh, not forever. We're going to see it as repeat length of answer. So we're going to ask the question nothing and repeat length of answers. So now we're going to create another variable called underscore encoded word. This will be needed later but not now. So we're going to create another variable called underscore encode underscore letter for the sprite only. Now the last variable called underscore letter for the sprite only. So now firstly we're going to change letter hashtag by 1. Then we're going to set letter to letter number of the answer. Now we're going to be needing a new list called letters for all sprites. In that list we are going to be writing all the alphabets, lowercase and capitals, and all the symbols. So let's start by placing in space and the A, B and so on. Now you should have quite a lot, but I just kept the lowercase letters and the space, so it will be 27. So now we're going to set decoded letter, encoded letter to item number letter in letters. Now we're going to take an if less than and length. If length of encoded letter is less than 2, we're going to set encoded letter to join 0 and encoded letter. Now at the beginning, after setting letter number, we're going to set encoder word to nothing. Then we're going to set it encoded word over here to join encoded word with encoded letter. Now it is time for testing. So let's write hello. And now let's go see in encoded word. So now it shows up as numbers, but we don't know how, if it's right. But in the next episode, I'll be making the decoding. So you should probably watch that to find out. So now we're going to create a new block called encode. Called encode with an input of word, and click run without screen refresh. So we're going to drag all the scripts except ask and wait in there, and we're going to replace the answers with word. So now let's go back to when green flag clicked. Now let's place and forever and if else. If touching mouse pointer, we're going to go to the looks and get set size to divide and minus. We're going to set size to size in the middle. We're going to set size to 300 minus size divided by 2, and let's duplicate that, and in here 240. Now in if touching mouse, let's put another if mouse down, that means we have clicked on it. We are going to bring out ask and wait. Then we're going to encode the answer. So now let's check it out. Oh, it looks like it's not loading, so let me just load it. Now let's see. That's a nice bouncy effect. Now let's write hello again. Now let's write another word. Let's write scratcher. And we got another number. So it would probably be working. And I'm quite sure, yes. So now, as all good coders, we have to set all the variables in the beginning. So I'm going to set all the variables. There are 5, just if you're wondering. Normally we'll be setting them to 0, but because there's like blanks, we're going to set them all to blanks. So we're going to set encode letter to blank and word to blank and letter to blank. Oh wait, there's only 4. So there's 4. Now let's just do that. So although we have set this to blank, it won't affect our code. So this is probably it for the encode. So in the next episode I'll be doing the decode. And let's just delete this answer. I hope you liked this episode, and if you do, please make sure to click down the subscribe button. Thank you.